In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move rows in Airtable. Whether you're new to Airtable or just looking to streamline your process a little more, knowing how to rearrange your rows can make your data management much simpler and more organized. So let's dive in. First, we need to access Airtable, so go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to their website. If you already have the web page bookmarked, great. That'll save you a bit of time. Once you're on the Airtable homepage, you'll notice the Sign In button typically located on the top right corner of the screen. Click on Sign In and this will take you to the login page. Here, simply enter your login credentials. If you've previously set up two-factor authentication, remember to have your phone handy to complete that additional security step. After signing in, you'll want to click on the Continue button. This will bring you directly to your Airtable workspace where all your bases are stored. Now it's time to navigate to the specific base where you want to move rows. You can do this by either clicking on the base name or the corresponding icon. If your Airtable account holds numerous bases, use the search function at the top to quickly find the table you're seeking. A little tip here, organize your bases with descriptive names so that locating them in the future is faster and more intuitive. Now within your Airtable base, you'll see lists of tables often displayed as tabs at the top of the screen. Click on the table where the rows you want to move are located. Once you've entered the desired table, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the structure. This will ensure you're moving the correct data and maintaining the integrity and layout of your table. Next, find and click on the row that you want to move. It's important to do this step carefully to avoid accidentally selecting multiple rows, unless that's part of your intention. With the row selected, click and hold your mouse or trackpad. You should feel a little haptic feedback or see a slight animation indicating the row is now ready to be moved. While still holding the row, drag it to its new position. You'll see an indicator showing where the row will land when you release. Be sure to let go of the mouse or trackpad only when you're satisfied with its new position, and just like that, your row has been moved. To sum up, moving rows in Airtable requires you to navigate to your desired table, select the row, and then simply drag and drop it into place. It's as straightforward as that. With this skill in your toolbox, managing your databases will feel smoother and more intuitive, ultimately saving you time in organizing your workflow. Thanks for watching today, and happy organizing.